apricot chicken for my sweet mother. I have 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts here. And I just want to put them in a glass baking dish that is lined with some foil. I'm going to put some apricot preserves in this bowl. The reason why I'm putting it in a bowl is because I don't want to contaminate the apricot jam if I want to do a double dip. Put a bunch in this bowl. And then, first I want to season the chicken with a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Flip them over. This kind of thing is really good for any parties that you want to throw. And then I want to grab a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Now I want to gather some of my apricot jam and put about 2 tablespoons on each chicken. Make sure you spread it all around the chicken breast, or else you'll have apricot in one place and just regular chicken breast. Now, I want to put some champagne mustard. Just about a tablespoon on each one. You just want to spread it on just like the apricot. So, I have the oven preheated at 400 degrees. You gotta cook with love because I accidentally made a hole in here, so we have to re-catch it up. So, it's going into the oven.
How many degrees?
It's going in the oven for about 40 minutes.